Hi, welcome to Code Together Telugu. So in previous video we have seen about um, like we are checking what is XPath and what is absolute XPath and what is relative XPath, and after that how can we create our own XPath. Those things we are checking. So in that case, in absolute XPath we can create by using single attribute. So whenever you are creating XPath with a single attribute, you need to do like you need to it's with a slash, double slash, and followed by tag name. If you don't know the tag name, you can put asterisk, then followed by attribute. Attribute means id or class or each reference or um, placeholder. All this comes under id, and after that value, so equal to something, it will be there, no, that value you are going to place. That is the single attribute. If you are going to add a single attribute, you can do. If you want to work with multiple attributes, you can just copy same thing and paste it over here. I mean, not same thing, like another attribute here. Like this, you can add a multiple attributes, and in between attributes you can put like and or end or. For example, if some cases the same button will work like two types, like dynamic pages. So dynamic pages always will be not same, like it will be changed based on the thing. For example, initially while you are opening any web page, it will be in the sign in or sign out button, right? For example, initially it is sign in. Once if we signed in, it will become like a sign out. So same button will act as a two types. In that case, you can put it or, whether it is in that case or this case, it will work. So here you can put two values here. One is, I mean, before scenario value and after scenario value. In that case, whatever the attribute in the state, it will work. As of now, we don't have any example regarding that, so we can see. So this is the thing. And end also you can use whenever you want to have both values. For example, this particular thing, id equal to value, no, not this one, id equal to search query top. For this attribute, you have two or three entries are there with this one. In order to avoid that, you can put and you can add another attribute. Okay, in that case we can avoid it, because with the both combination it may not available, right? With one combination it may available, but with the both combination it may not available. Like that you can do by using and. Okay, that is the thing. And coming to now, we have thing right here. We have three more, three methods are there. First method is contains. So what is contains? Contains means you can add it here and shift left level, control Z. Here you can see tag name. So tag name can be anything, or import div or anything can be fine, or else if you don't have anything, you just put it star here. And contains, you can check one thing here, and you just click on this and inspect. Okay, the first thing we are just doing for that one, right? You just click on this. Okay, it is clicking correctly. Now I just want to drag something, drag it, and here you have thing, right? id name equal to search query. You can copy this thing. Okay, and paste it over here. So here, what is the attribute? Name is the attribute. Okay, so you have to add followed by at symbol, then attribute, and the what is the value? Search query. This is the value. So you are just adding here. Okay, before putting into the code, you just validate it. How to validate? Here you just copy this thing, and here we have, right, like where is that selector hub is there, no? In selector hub you just paste it. I think drag up. How can I drag this one? Yeah, now here you can see here, right, something is there, no? Here you have it, control. this one, and this okay is going up. This thing is fine. No. Yeah, this thing is fine, I guess. Selector hub, here you can add it. Okay, control A, control V, then enter. Here you can see one element is matching. Okay, that is the thing. And here you can remove these things, and you can just do it. Okay, what it is mean? No, if it is matching with anything, then it will consider as this. For example, here you can write like this also. CRY contains. So you no need to give entire thing. So because while pages are dynamically changing, few characters won't change, right? Those kind of things you can give by using contains method. That is the difference between normal fully attribute. We have another attribute, right? Like if you check this code, here we have it, right? ID equal to value. Here you need to give entire thing, whereas contains you can give between something, you can give in between the string, you can give some character, some portion of the string you can give while using the contains. That is the reason, that is the difference between normal this one and that one. Okay, that is the difference. So you can copy here same thing. No, before that you just copy same thing. Yeah, okay, I'm going to remove this thing. Okay, yeah, I'm just removing this, and I'm just pasting over here same thing. Okay, and send keys dress, that's fine. Okay, now let's run it. It's opening. Maximizing the screen and closed it, because I have not added any thread related thing. That is the reason you couldn't see. And if it is closed, no, that means it's completely done. If it is not done, it won't close, because Java, right, if any error is coming between these lines, for example, if you encounter any line in number 13, remaining lines won't execute. So in that case, driver.quit method won't execute. So in that case, the browser will be opened, but now browser was closed, right? Means it is executed fully. That is the thing with contains. Okay, coming to next method. What is next method? Starts with. Same starts with, also starts with, but here just copy this thing. Why you need to paste it over here? Same here, and that one is same, but here if you give it won't work. See, let's validate this this path, X path. Control C, go to your browser and paste it over here. 0 elements matching. Why it is not matching? No, because it is not starts with ERY. So here you need to give whatever the value is starting. So the starting value is, what is the starting value? Search, right? You can give SCA. Okay, here that is the thing with the starts with method. You can give SCA. Okay, 1 minute, I'm just copy this, paste it over here. Okay, you can give SEA. Control C and just validate this one. See here, value is matching, because here you are getting, right, what is contains. Contains can be, you can add any portion of the string, any portion of the value. In this one you can add anything. You can add these 3 characters, or you can add 2 characters. In that case, you need to ensure like there is no duplicates for that entry. That is what you need to ensure. But starts with will always look for the starting characters. So SCA, it is a starting, or else you can give SCA also. For example, you can give SC also. If you are giving here SC, how many characters you are? Only 1. Or else just give S. How many characters? You have 3. With that you have 3 characters. So you need to add 1 more character, that is SC. Here you can see that this is the thing, SC. Okay, If you are giving yes, no, you just click on enter. The first thing is this one, this is the highlighting, no, then again click on enter, then it will go to another one where it is not going. Wait, 3 elements matching, no? What are those three elements? Where can we see those? Okay, we can explore later, but this is the thing. So always better use, you know, minimum 2 and a maximum, you know, you can use anything anywhere. So finally you are having one element matching. So that is the difference between contains and starts. Here the function name itself saying like starts with and contains. And we have one more method. These things we are using for attributes. Wherever you are having attributes, right, for those things you are using. Coming to here, one more thing we have, this is the text. So text is like this one. Okay, this is the method for text. Okay, this is the syntax. Here you can give the tag name like h1. Okay, here what is text? No, here it is matching with the h reference value, you know, inner link, inner text, and you know, exact text. So for this one, this is not related to attributes. So whatever you have seen up to now, these are related to attributes, but now you are looking for the different thing that you need to understand. Like here you can see, I don't like this thing here. This is the thing, no? Yeah, here it is nice, I guess. Yeah, now it's nice. Okay, now you need to look into this, inspect this thing. Here this is related to logo. Categories, women, women. Why it's not moving? Yeah, here it is matching. Block of content, margin top, margin. This is not this one. We need the text. We need hyper value, those kind of stuff we need. Let's look into here. Search logo, container, category women, or else we can search with href. Here you will have, let's close this thing, let's close this browser. Again I'm just opening. I just want to think, you know, different thing. For example, I can go with some other thing. Tata consultancy services. No, it's not working. Let's look into this. Okay, this one we can check. Okay, this is some page and inspect. Okay, so here this thing, I think this is the link or text. This is text, right? See, earlier I told, right, like this thing, first thing is there, no? So based on the user, this will change. This will also change based on the thing. So that is the reason you need to identify the right text path. Even the values are dynamically changed, you can find out. But I don't think this is the good page. I need one tag like where you can have, yeah, here you can see this is not correct one. Let's go with that advantage. I'm just searching all the apps. Okay, let's inspect this page. Okay, inspect. I think this is the text, I guess. This is the text. Yeah, got it. Here you can see. Oh, why it's moving? Yeah. See, while I'm checking this, okay, not like this. I think you need to click on this and inspect, then it will be good. Here you can see, and here click on this. I need side by one. Okay. Yeah, here you can see you have a text right here, American thing. So this is same thing you can see here, where this is the logo, right, where you have this content. So if you want to check this kind of content, you can use the text. So whatever the text is available, I mean, you are able to see on the page, right? Either inner text in the sense, this is called, where it is called, this is called inner text, because this text holds this link. That is the reason it is called inner text. Some cases you can see header tag, you can see with the header tag, header and followed by name, direct name will be there, that is the header tag. There also you can use this one, or else some cases wherever the inner text is there, no, this is the inner text. Actually this text holds this particular link. That is the thing I want to say. Okay, and for our thing, we have history, right? Where is history? Just go with history. Okay, we have here itself link, right? Why we need to go that? Just copy this and paste it over here. It's already there. Here you will have it, inspect. Here you can see woman, and here also you can see this is the text. This is not related to attribute. Of course title is equal to woman is there, that is different, but here this is the different. You can use this one for this, here h1 text is there, no, here you can give woman, not this one. You can just copy this, you can copy this woman tag. This is the inner text, so in this inner text will hold some link, and here the tag is, what is the tag here? A tag. So you need to give a here, or else you can give star. Okay, just copy this and search it in the, just validate in the thing. Where is that? Is the selector hub. There you need to give this XPath. Yeah. I don't want this. I don't want this too. I need this one, but it's not coming here. Okay, why it's coming? Irritation వస్తుంది నాకు. How it will come here? just okay here. Okay, this is the thing. Yeah, I need to remember. Come, no, here it's not coming. Why? This will come. No, it's not coming. Let's close this one first. How can I close it? Yeah, now click on this. Then we need this format. This is the good format. And now I want this side. Again it's coming. I don't know why it's coming. Okay, here. Chandra. I'm getting irritation with this thing. Selector hub. Wait, go ads free. This is ads. Oh, these are ads. I think because of XPath we are getting these ads here. That is the reason we are getting this thing. See, it is validating, but we are getting ads. I don't know. Here you can see one element is matching here. In order to showcase this, I am wasting this much time. While you are watching the video, you just skip this time. Okay, you can save some time. Okay, because of the ads only I am getting. Now it's okay. So XPath is working. So this is the advantage of text. You can copy this thing. See here, it is already validating, right? So that is the reason I'm not showcasing any demo. So it's working fine. So that is the thing, women. So wherever you are having headings or inner link, H reference is there. No H reference, wherever you are able to see H reference, there you will have a link. There you will have a text like this. I will show you that I already showed you, right? For example, if you just click on just women, you can click no, you will have it here. Yeah, here you can see women. Okay, in the same category you will have another thing, like some categories are there, no? Here here you can see this is the H reference tag. After that, media and all, here you don't have any inner link. Here you don't have any inner link. This is not, here you have H reference, but here you didn't see any inner link. Okay, media equal to all, this is also not inner link. Okay, there is no inner link here, but you will have H reference, no inner link. Come down. Here you have an inner link. Here you can see it won't be between the tags. After the tag it will be there. This is called inner link. Okay, submenu li list is there. Just open this thing, expand, and here you can see dresses is the inner text, and expand this link. Shirts is the t-shirts is the inner link. You can use t-shirts also. And here just expand blog is the inner link. Okay, these things you can use text method, okay, in order to extract text. Okay, that is what. See, all these women dress, t-shirts, all these are inner text. I showed you, right? That is what. So these are the methods we are using. Okay, I hope you are getting my point, like absolute, why we are not using absolute path. If anything in developers or in the requirements will be changed frequently, right? In that case, if you are using absolute thing, you may not found. That is the reason we are using relevant XPath. Relevant XPath always starts with double slash followed by tag. If you don't have any tag, you can put it star, and after that you need to put square brackets followed by @ symbol, then attribute name equal to and value, whatever the attribute value is there, no, followed by same value you are going to give. That is the thing. You can use multiple attributes by followed by without having anything, or else you can add some logical operators and or in order to use precise way. Okay, after that contains method, it is same like this, but here you need to give attribute entire value while you are using this thing, no, without any method. In that case, you need to give entire value. Where you are using contains, no, there you can give portion of the text. So any portion of the text you can give, like like this is the thing you are using, contains. See, without a method, it is like this. If you are not using any method, in that case it will be like this. Okay, and it's not equal to, we are just giving equal to search. This is what, right here. Okay, where you are using contains method, you can give entire thing, or else you can give portion of the thing. It's up to your wish. Whatever the portion you can give, you just keep minimum 2 characters, so that you can eliminate duplicates. Whereas starts with, you need to starting characters has to be given, or it has to be starting. You can give up to, you can give full value, or else you can give minimum 2 characters or even single character, but it is considering if it is starts with. If it is not starts with, it won't consider. That is the difference between contains and starts. And text is different. Whereas contains and starts with deals with attribute details, but here it will deals with that text, actual text, which is able to see in the web page. See, for example, here this text I am seeing, right? These are the inner text, where the text is holding some value. Okay, some link, h reference, anchor tag is there, no, I showed you. So those cases you can use this one if you want to match. Of course you can use this one also, but this is another way. We do have these many ways to create XPath. Okay, another thing is like chained XPath. Coming to chained XPath, it is a combination of absolute XPath and relative XPath. For example, I came here up to this one. After that, I have one more tag that is called div tag. In that case, what can I do now? Just followed by div. Then after that, I have anchor tag. Then after that, I have image. This is the thing. This is the combination is called. This combination is called chained one. Okay, this is the chained one. It's a mixed of both. Okay, here I am just using absolute XPath followed by relevant XPath. Sorry, relevant XPath, absolute XPath. What is relevant XPath? What is absolute XPath? Absolute means entire thing, right? So first we are using relevant one. So after that we are using absolute one. Okay. So this is the thing. That is what today's session. If you like this video, just subscribe the channel and do the like and share.